Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Housecall Pro app review to see with what you're using. So to dive into it, Housecall Pro is a field service management app designed for home service businesses like HAV, plumbing, cleaning, and electrical work. It offers features such as online booking, drag and drop scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, payment processing, automatic reminder, and a GPS tracking. The app also integrates with QuickBooks and other business tools, making it easier for small to mid-sized companies to manage their daily operation effectively. However, Housecall Pro can be expensive, starting at around $59 per month, with higher cost for large team and advanced features. Some users also report occasional syncing issues, billing frustration, and limited CRM flexibility. In verdict, the app worth it if you run a service-based business and need a reliable all-in-one solution, but not ideal if you are on a tight budget or require more customizable features. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.